Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video I am going to share with you how to improve our communication skill without partner. So what? Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Okay, actually your comment, your like is very important for me, so please do the comment, do the like and do the support. Without your support I can't do anything, so please do the comment, do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to improve our communication skill without partner. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything how to improve our communication skill without partner. Okay, even I am using this way, so that's why I am telling to you. Okay, actually maximum people have a question how to improve our communication skill without partner. I don't have any environment, I don't have any person, so how could we learn English? Okay, I know this is a your excuse who are making continuously. Stop it. Okay, leave it. Only focus on your speaking English because you want to be perfect in English. Please have the practice a lot. Without practice we can't speak English. So now it question rise how to improve our communication skill without partner. So today in my video I am going to discussion with you how to improve. Actually when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story. Okay, after that you can speak with yourself. If you don't have any environment, if you don't have any person, it's okay, don't worry, leave it. Okay, you can create to speak with yourself. Okay, so please have the practice. And another thing I use, you have rapid fire. Okay, you have rapid fire. Rapid fire is very important. Your flow will be increased here. Okay, so please do the rapid fire. Okay, actually when I am alone at my home, so that times maximum times I have rapid fire with myself, and I create any fake story and then I speak in myself. Okay, so that times whatever words comes in my mind and then I speak in English. So I feel something like this. I am getting improved gradually, so that's why I am telling to you this way is very important for improving our communication skill if you want to be perfect. So that's why. Okay, so that's why you can create, otherwise you can drop it. Okay, so please have the practice. Without practice we can't speak English, we can't learn anything. Okay, and another thing I use. Okay, listen. Listening power is very important. Okay, without listening we can't speak English, because while listening we observe every person. Okay, who can speak English. I observe, we observe. So please, listening power is very important. And listen as much as possible. Okay, actually there are so many videos are available on YouTube, you watch. Okay, I think you watch every day within 50-20 minutes. Okay, and after that you can start speaking English. And there are so many app. Okay, you can use. So please don't think I don't have any environment and any person. I can't speak English. I am not able to speak English. I couldn't speak English well. Okay, hard work. Do the hard work. Hard work is very necessary. Put of effort speaking English. Definitely you will be improved. Okay, so I think I have this way for improving English. So in the end, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me. I told my previous video, please do the comment, do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.